Y'all, it is my first day vlogging, period. I'm in bed, as y'all can see. Today I'm doing a little family day with my family. We're going to Kennywood. So yeah, don't mind me, I'm laying in bed. I'm about to go in the shower because I gotta wash my hair, you know, take a shower. Oh, not get ready and stuff. So that's what's gonna happen. Period. But hey, talk to y'all later. Good morning, period. Yeah, I'm really giving a vlogger, like, whatever. I recorded a video in the house, but it was dark, so I don't know. So I might use this, but yes, I'm dressed. Y'all can see, but something plain and nothing really. But I'm recording a video, dressed. You know, real plain, nothing crazy. But we're about to go to Kennywood. So it's currently 11, can you see? 11:07. 11:07. And yeah, I'm gonna check it.
Hey y'all, welcome to Kennywood.
Period. Hey guys, welcome back. You know, we're at Kennywood now. Yes?
Yeah.
We're at Kennywood now.
Yeah, trust the process.
Yeah, you have to start somewhere. Let's see.
This is not studies, not easy. Welcome to Jamaican grandma.
Yeah.
You're from the
Oh
boy.
But we're here now, so we're waiting for everybody else. Then we're going to get on some rides. It's 12:49, so yeah.
Just one drumstick, just pushing people's
Hey y'all. We're in, it's things.
Alright, there you go, there's a jackrabbit.
We're in line for the jackrabbit. Is it raining?
Oh no, please don't.
Yeah, I was looking at it. You can't see it. It just got real dark. But we're in line for the jackrabbit. So, I ain't even know. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Okay? That's the jackrabbit. We're about to get on. Normally people were in person too. No, the rain did not make it fun at all.
I started crying.
Y'all, it's raining, so we're under shelter. Go!
He's gone, I think he got fired, honestly. Davis.
Did you ever meet him?
His name is Davis, he's awesome.
I mean, James, did you ever meet him?
Yeah, that was Davis. All the time. I'm always here.
LED lights. And there's a cheetah right here. Oh, I hate cheetahs. Guys, the line is the worst part. Oh my god.
All you have to do is keep walking.
I can't even see it. Here we go. Here's the actual part. Yeah, the nose arc. Yeah, let's do it.
Go! Anya, go! Like we're literally standing in the rain.
Walk in.
Oh my gosh, look at the goat! Oh my god! Go, go! Are you scared?
Isaiah, keep walking. We've all been on here before. Hold on. Please. We might have to sew again. Okay. Hey y'all, we just ate. We all got ponchos, you know the vibe.
Already know.
And we're about to get on rides. We're just waiting for one more person.
Wait for us.
And then we're gonna go get on some more rides. I think, how much rides did we go on already?
We got on the
Jackrabbit. We only did 2. Because it rained. So we only went on 2 rides.
And those are not. So
I mean, but it's still something we did.
It's like a house.
We did 2 rides.
Yeah.
It looked real clear, but 2 rides. So we have at least 4 more we could go on. Because what time is it? 2:48.
So we're probably gonna go.
But the rain's supposed to come back, so we're trying to beat the rain. But yeah.
We're gonna go on.
I don't know if y'all can see.
We got some fries. We ate them all up. Got some fries. Yeah. We should go. We're gonna go on the exterminator.
So the next time we talk to you, we're gonna be in the line at the exterminator. So see y'all later. Y'all, I don't even know if you can hear me, but we're in the line for the exterminator. Prepare to be exterminated. Y'all can't see. Okay, there we go.
Me and Lex are about to take the poncho off.
My siblings is over there. Wanna say hi to ya? But we're about to go to there. So yeah, my vlog. But yeah, well, I'm gonna touch. I mean, actually, I'll touch y'all. I'm gonna talk when we get to the place. Bye.
my jacket, and yeah.
We've been in this line for an hour. What?
That's about the board.
It was always like that.
But no,
It's 3:38. My skin is so bad. It's 3:38. We've been here for a long time. So next time I talk to y'all, we gonna, you know, binge road the ride. Period. Y'all, we just came from the ride, but let me tell y'all, I lost my phone. So, and my watch gonna talk about some iPhone has been left behind. Baby, I know, y'all, but we lost 2 phones in the ride. My stepmom lost her phone too, and my auntie lost her Apple Watch. Like, I don't know how, but everything is gone. So, yeah. We're at guest services right now because, baby, I need my phone. So.
because I felt something like something right here is hurting. Like that means that it was fighting for his life.
Yeah, so we lost 2 phones and the Apple Watch. So, but y'all, my phone's.
What you should be doing is going to get your
There's
phone.
something I have to tell my. I have to tell the people.
Here, let me take over.
Hold on, let me tell them. But y'all, my phone's done because there's no case on it.
What he should be doing is going to get his form filled out so he can go get his phone back.
That's
But
true.
he's out here vlogging.
That's true.
That might be something I might have to do. Oh yeah.
That's
Well,
true.
he's out here dilly-dallying. I'm out here making content. The real content creator of the family. The family. Where we go right now? This bread. We have to say to your fans like that.
I'm sad because I want my phone. Is it still going? It is. But yeah, so we, you know. But y'all, like, I want my phone.
It has
So. Hey y'all. Welcome back. You can't even see me, but I had got Ritas. Y'all. They still like, I mean, I don't think nobody saw us up. So we had left our stuff like back here. But it was nothing. Like, y'all, they're exaggerating. They had left some snacks and some fruits in there. If the people stole it, it wasn't that big of a deal. And they're ready to go to war about that food. But yeah. So we're back here. I guess we're closing. I didn't know this, but hold on. How do you like? Okay. I know this, but I guess it's supposed to. Well, I didn't know it's supposed to rain, like storm, I guess. So they're closing all the rides. That's a whole place. You have hot dogs, hamburgers, corn, macaroni. They don't know how to. They're screaming. Isaiah.
I don't want any of this.
Isaiah. Yeah, my dad had just put some food, and now they screaming it. My siblings just, they don't know how to do nothing. Like, you can't tell them no. Yes, y'all. So anyways, but y'all, I lost my phone. I'm still on that. Like, I don't have a phone, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Cause then the thing is, this video probably not even gonna come out because I lost my phone and the thing is on my. So I'm gonna have to get it on my iPad. This is too much. I'm going through it, and I have work tomorrow. I have stuff to do. Like, I have to do orientation for school. This is too much, but yes. Anyways, so next time I talk to y'all, I don't even know if y'all can hear me because I don't know if this is loud enough, but I don't know, I'll probably be in the car or something. But, yeah. I can't even y'all, I was gonna make a TikTok like come spend a day in the life with me, that can't even something like that, but I was gonna make a TikTok. I can't even finish it. I don't got a phone. Yeah.
mothers, fathers encourage their children into this path of sports because it was an avenue for
Put my head sitting back on. Yeah, I'm holding mine.
you don't have to go back up. Go back like 4 generations.
Hey y'all, so what time is it? It's 8:47, boom. We're leaving dinner. It was just 4 of us that went to dinner. Yes? Bye to what? It looks real pretty back there.
It looks real pretty with me in the camera.
But we're going home. It's 8:47. We just had dinner. I had 2 chicken tacos.
Tell the viewers how you're still phone.
Okay, not too much. But yeah. Talk to y'all when we get home. Yeah, I need my phone. But yeah.
Is this where you work out?
Good morning, y'all. It is Saturday. I don't even know what time it is. It's like 10:45, I think, 10:50, something like that. But I have work today, so I'm getting ready. Y'all can see my hair looking nice. But y'all, I have on my shirt, my brand, period. Don't do too much because y'all know I haven't dropped nothing in a long time. But y'all, I've been feeling some motivation, so I think I want to release like a new line or something. I don't want to say the fall. Maybe the spring. It's giving She by Sheree. Spring, summer. That's what it's getting, spring, summer. Spring, summer. But I do have some motivation, so I think I do want to release something or like, you know, do, because I have not done nothing for real since senior year. So it's been a year. It's been a year. Because I started my brand in 2020. So it's been 2 years. Well, not since I've done, but my brand has been going for 2 years now. Yeah, so if y'all don't know my brand is called Sainty Yard because I'm Jamaican. That's what it's inspired by. So you can follow me on Instagram, Sainty Yard, period. Anyways, I'm getting ready for work, y'all. It's like 10, like I said, it's like 10:50. So, do my hair. Normally I don't do my hair to go to work, but I feel like today I'm gonna do it because I just feel motivated. Y'all, I think it's me, like I just be swearing I can conquer the world, but yes. So I'm gonna go meet up with Tasha. She has work at 1. I have work at 1:30. So we're gonna go meet up. We're gonna go to chocolate smoothie, I think. Speaking of, I gotta figure out a way to get money on my card because y'all know I lost my phone. Oh y'all, speaking of losing my phone, so y'all know it was me. I lost my phone, my stepmom lost her phone, my auntie lost her Apple Watch. So the people called us this morning. Kennywood called us this morning. They said they found all 3 devices, so that's good. Now, whether or not my phone is cracked, I don't know. Because like y'all know, I do not have a case on my phone, so if it did fall, in the ride, it's cracked. It's gone. And I'm gonna have to get a new phone, and that's just not something I want to buy right now. But if it's in the seat, because it really could be in the seat, because I just didn't think about my phone being gone until I got out. So yeah. But yeah, if it's cracked, y'all, I'm gonna be so sad. Like, I need to get some hair ties. I need to make a list. I'm gonna work. So I'm gonna make a list of stuff I got. I want to buy some Eco Gel. I need to buy some hair ties because I don't like using these. Like, if it has that, but I'm gonna use it today. Anyways, what was I talking about? Yeah, so I'm about to go meet up with Sasha. Yeah, I'm so excited because I think this is one of our last shifts before she go. I don't even know y'all can hear me because this fan is on. Hold on. This is one of our last shifts together, I think, before she go back to school. So we're about to go to Tropical Smoothie. The problem is I don't have a phone. My parents are going to, with me not having a phone, they're going to give me a ride to work. Then they're going to go, well, my style. She's going to go straight to Kennywood after to pick up our stuff. So that's that. Yeah, so that's my little update. I'm about to brush my teeth. Wait, hold on, that's probably a lot. I'm gonna brush my teeth. I wash my face. I'm about to moisturize. This is my hair for now. It's nothing too crazy. I'm gonna put a headband on and then I'll work literally every day next week, I think. So I gotta figure out when to get a haircut. School starts the 22nd. So I'm not going to that school looking like a bum. I don't care. Even though I do want to do all online classes. I don't know if that's gonna happen. But regardless, y'all know I'm not a bum. Y'all know I be. Anyways, that's a story for another time. But yeah, school starts the 22nd, so I gotta get it together. I wanna get my hair done. And I wanna get a haircut. I mean, obviously I'm gonna get a haircut regardless. My hair done, being done, I don't know. But yeah, that's my little update. So I'm gonna talk to y'all. When am I gonna talk to y'all? I don't know. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I see Tasha. I don't know if Tasha wanna be recorded. Y'all, this is my first vlog. So I think what I'm gonna do is like every time I go with my friends, I'm gonna ask them like, do y'all, cause I don't know if everybody's comfortable being on camera. So before I like, you know, record them, I'm just gonna ask them like, y'all wanna be on camera or not? Cause even though I don't have that much subscribers, it's still like the what's the word? It's still the principle, that's the word. It's still the principle, like, do you want to be on camera or not? Because someday a lot of people might see this video. Today is probably not going to be today, but yeah, I'm gonna always ask them like, do you want to be on camera? But anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when. Hey y'all, I still look a mess. Oh, not the lady behind me. But we got smoothies. Shut up.
Oh my god.
I think it's zoomed in. But we got smoothies. Oh, I can never
Hopefully
hear.
nobody comes to the back. None of my coworkers.
To the back of work?
Yeah, so
Why?
like if we sit in the back, because I want to be 5 minutes late
Oh, okay.
to work today.
So yeah, Tasha got to work. Y'all want to say hi to Tasha? I don't know if she want to be on camera. You want to be on camera?
You got this big ass head.
Bye.
Oh yeah, no cussing. I forgot.
Oh.
It's a vlog.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
She's annoying, but yes, y'all know I'm a YouTuber now. But yeah, we got smoothies, and now we're going back to Target to go clock in work for the white man. Oh. Yeah, it was a white man right standing right next to us. But
You're done.
but we're gonna go work. We got food. We gonna
For the
eat.
white man. We got food before. We got food before.
That's all we do is eat. But yeah, so I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get back to Target. Bye.
I wanna go.
Shut up. She said you can't come.
No,
And
she didn't.
I texted a moon face and then I texted him back. Hey y'all. That's not dumb. What time is it? It's 10:39. I just got off of work at 10 o'clock. And I'm gonna go see my friends.
I'm coming too.
No.
Yes. What they say? So no, he can come.
Ethan said let him come.
Whoa!
But it's not his house to say.
He knows.
It's not his house.
Freebie, let me in. Come
Anyways, y'all can hear my brother trying to come with me, and I want to go.
I'm trying to slide. Let me slide.
But I'm gonna go do a bonfire with my
Let me
friends, and
slide.
y'all gonna see me. I'm gonna take them pictures because y'all, I'm bored.
We're acting like Malik's not grown as hell. Malik is grown. Malik is mad grown.
You're 15. You're
That
not
doesn't
grown.
matter. I'm grown.
We got 40 bucks.
All them niggas around you bitch. So how the fuck you gon' niggas tryna get you in? How the fuck you ain't
What are you talking about? What's on
Quarantine what? I'm just trying to make a buck. Talking to my dog, he be acting like he's stuck. Fingers on the block, it's filled up with a month.
Good morning, y'all. I don't know why. But anyways, it is Sunday, August 7th, 12 o'clock, period 12:01. I don't know why, but it's like, hold on, y'all, I'm gonna fix it. No. There we go. A little better. I don't know. It's too dark for me. Okay, whatever. But 12:01. Can't even see. I'm about to do what I did yesterday. So, you know, moisturize my face, fix my hair, brush my teeth. So let me brush my teeth first, and then I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all. Period. Bye. Okay, I'm back. 12:06, so just had that long. But yeah, I'm finna do my hair now and talk to y'all. So you know, last night, what happened last night? We went to the bonfire. My camera had died, so I think the last thing y'all seen was Gabby did the like outro thing for the day. I might put that, I don't know yet, but yeah. Y'all will see her doing that sometime in the video. But period. Oh my god, y'all, I forgot to get the things at Target. I told y'all I was gonna get them. So I'm gonna do my hair stuff. But yeah, last night, so my camera ended up dying. So, but yeah, we had went to, we had went to Taco Bell, because that was the only thing that was open. It was like, when we left their house, it was like 1:30. When I got home, it was 2:30. So, y'all, the thing is, today is Sunday. We planned this trip maybe a week ago. So, this trip came together, like, it was something that, like, the first thing that was, like, real easy to plan with us. Where's the come? I don't like, to y'all, it doesn't look dark, but it's dark in here because I had the lights turned off because that's better for the camera, but whatever. But anyways, we planned this trip. I think my sister got Eco Gel. Okay, I'm gonna put that on my list too, because no. But anyways, we planned this trip about a week ago. Kristen's been planning because it was supposed to be like a surprise for Gabby's birthday. Y'all, it is currently, like I said, like 12 o'clock. We was supposed to leave at 10. So, you know, we're already 2 hours late on schedule. It's like a 2-hour drive to get there. So that's that. That's why we was gonna leave at 10 so we could get there at 12 and then have like the rest of the day out there. But you know, obviously you can see that didn't work. I don't know, I'm trying to figure out what to put in my hair because I don't have no Eco. There's this gel that is here, but I don't like it. I guess I'm gonna just go natural, like, I mean, it's always natural, but I mean, like, no product. You're just gonna do that. Then my hair is already looking messy. I got a haircut. Anyways, back to the story. So we were supposed to go at 10. Kristen is getting an oil change this morning. I don't know why she picked this morning, y'all, but that's how she is. So she's doing that right now, and I think she's still there. So whenever she is done is when we're about to go. So I'm getting ready right now because it should be around time for her to be done, and I think everybody's like ready so that when she's done we could all just go. We're taking 2 cars, of course, because you know we all can't fit. So Oscar, G, and Alex is driving together, And I think the rest of us is driving together. So that's me, Erica, Taylor, Kristen, and Gabby. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do 2 earrings today. Cause I did 1 yesterday and but that's for work. But today I'm gonna just do 2. So I'm gonna find my earrings, put them in, and then what else was I gonna tell y'all? Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we about to go there. It's a 2-hour drive, so I don't know. We'll see if anybody wanna talk in the car. Like talk to the camera. So we'll see. But yeah. That's that. So I'm about to do this, and then I'm gonna just get I don't know what I'm gonna wear yet. It's like, so we're going to Erie. So it's like a beach, but not really a beach. It's a fake beach, like it's a lake. Well, yeah, Lake Erie. But they have sand, like, you know, fake sand. Yeah, I can't find the hole. Why is this not working? But yeah, they have sand, so I don't even know what we're gonna do. Like, are we gonna do the beach all day? I don't know. Also, right now we're trying to figure out where we're gonna get groceries from in the group chat. They're texting about that. So let me see. They were saying Walmart or Giant Eagle. I was gonna say Target, but y'all, I caught off, and I don't want to go near my day off because I said I was sick. So that's that. Yo, I'm struggling bad. Struggling. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the camera because it's gonna take way too long for me to do this. Y'all, I swear it never takes this long. Like, it'd be like 2 minutes at max. Okay, I'm cutting the cameras. I'm gonna come back when I'm probably dressed and have both my earrings in. Bye. Hey y'all, it's literally 12:22, and after I stopped that last video, Kristen literally just texted me and was like, I'm on my way. Yeah, I had to rush and, you know, pack everything up, like what I'm bringing. I mean, I'm not bringing much, but I had to like get my stuff together. I had to rush to get dressed. I put on anything, so don't mind me. But yeah, she should be here any minute now. But yeah, hold on. Let me find my snacks and let me get back to y'all.
We're back with another banger.
Right?
Okay, how you fix it?
I don't know. I was struggling with that this morning. There we go. It's zoom out.
On Langston, it's not even moving.
That's
on Langston's camera, y'all. We're on our way to Erie, friends trip. Our other friends don't look like they gonna make it. And then we got Erica up here. Christian, driver, designated.
We're packed in here, y'all.
No, I feel like we're not even squished.
We're not. It's okay.
Yeah, I don't know. When we meet TT and Gary back there, it'd be bad. Like,
really?
On top of each other.
Alright, y'all. We'll come back when we get to the grocery store. I should.
Hey, y'all. Yeah, we're at Giant Eagle getting groceries. Okay, excuse me.
The bags for those?
No. Why would she stop right there? Like, why would she stop right there? But anyways, we're getting stuff to go eat. So yeah, y'all want to see what we eat?
Y'all eat turkey? Or y'all eat ham? Turkey.
Turkey. Yeah. Well, she are in their business. I am.
Oh wait, you gotta get a thumbnail. Light bright.
Yeah.
Can you make this dark?
I don't know how to do that.
I'm sorry, man. I don't eat cheese. It's not touchscreen.
It is. That's better. Come right here, y'all.
I don't think they have it. Taylor, she's all the way down there.
All the
Okay,
way
wait,
down.
who just said they don't eat cheese? I'm confused.
That was me. What cheese are y'all getting? Yellow, purple, American?
What cheese do y'all eat? As long as it's not American, I'm good. Sorry. Sorry.
Well, white American or do you want to try? Just pick one.
What is it?
Have you seen them on TikTok?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay. Because now y'all are just picking up anything.
Back to the cheese.
Designated cameraman.
Okay. What do y'all have so far? That's the problem.
Where's the bread?
We have meat. Y'all want cheese? We don't even have.
Yeah, can we get pepper jack?
Okay, get pepper jack.
We need mayo.
Wait, that's here. Get this pepper jack.
Why are they packaged like that?
It's a lot.
We should have mayo at home.
Okay.
She's just like a hobo.
Flip the camera around. How about, hold on, let's show, how about we show them what Gabby has on?
I want it. Okay.
She wants to hold it, you got it?
Yeah. Okay. Alright, this is Gabby. I got this from a thrift store. I got my bathing suit under this. I got these are Nike shorts. And then these are Timberland sandals.
They're flying like you got bread in the car. Where are they going?
There's a bread owl. Okay, this is what Christian has on. She's wearing all black today. She didn't put her swimsuit on yet.
I didn't put my swimsuit on yet.
Hi, James.
Oh, we're going to bread out.
And then this is what I have on today. Just a green dress from Target.
We're getting bread, y'all.
And we're getting bread.
Okay, can we get like hoagie?
And I got hiccups.
Can we get like hoagie buns? Y'all know what I'm talking about? Like sub.
Oh yeah, like yeah. Do they have them here?
Like right here.
These.
2 for, I don't know, baby. These is giving. Those are the ones money is back.
And we're getting bread.
I was looking at that, but it's 2 for 7. 2 for 7 is
Wait.
6 in each bag. So that's 12 bucks for $7.
This is what Lexington has on today.
To go through 12
Simple. I don't think there's enough meat to go through. This is 12
So should we get another pack of meat?
today.
Do they want to turkey into the food?
Simple.
Should we get turkey and something else?
If we're doing turkey and something else, I was gonna say, y'all gonna have to ask them.
We'll get hiccups. Please get the frick out.
No, actually, I'll kill you.
I only eat turkey and like chicken breast. So if they're getting something different, y'all have to ask them.
Target.
But I'm gonna see if they got some money.
If those are the ones your mom did, I don't know. We're supposed to be making this to Airy, and we're not.
Do you think we should just make turkey again?
We're going to Airy, but we're supposed to leave like 10 o'clock, and it's 1 o'clock.
But that's not showing us the bread from
Right. Just because.
It looks like that. The bread, that shit just comes in a bag like that. We should have just got peanut butter and jelly and called it a day.
Excuse me. You went to Obama? Your Instagram is fire. I feel like.
So, what bread?
I don't know.
White bread.
Yeah, we're struggling.
Hoagie buns just look like y'all got.
Yeah, that's. Oh no, there's some down here too, but no, right here. This I say 2 for $6. That's a little dollar cheaper.
These ones do look bad. 2 for $6, but there's only one.
Hold on, we'll come back to y'all.
$4 cheap. Tap the screen.
We'll start.
I'm still light skinned. Okay.
Okay, y'all want the chips or the speed?
Why are you running us over?
Again. Do we really use that big ass thing?
No. Y'all don't need pickles anyways. Get sweet pickles.
Get them ones over there.
No, get sweet pickles.
Y'all.
No, get sweet pickles.
That's what I said. They don't eat sweet pickles.
Y'all don't eat sweet pickles.
We are in the people's way.
Do y'all not eat these pickles?
Regular pickles, we get dill, baby.
No, I think she's talking about the bread.
Where's dill
No, Dill is a type. Isn't Dill a
definitely
type?
brand. The pickles we buy ain't in here. Dill pickles is definitely a
Just
brand.
gonna put these in the car and. Okay, but if we gonna put them on our sandwiches, can we get like flatter ones?
That's what I'm saying.
You nasty motherfuckers are putting pickles on your sandwich.
Get them ones right there.
Actually, y'all, why don't we get Giant Eagle brand?
I was like,
Get sweet
Right
pickles.
here, and these are flat.
Get sweet pickles.
Yeah, I was gonna say them right there. I'm zooming in for you.
From we can't see it.
Yeah.
I think sweet pickles are bread and butter pickles.
No, get sweet pickles.
They don't like sweet
Why don't
pickles.
y'all just get regular pickles?
Are you gonna eat the pickle?
This is regular right here.
We got the pickles.
Put the pickles down here, cause you know Gabby drive crazy.
Yeah, but baby, pickles ain't a maybe.
Huh?
These are for sure. That's maybe.
That's maybe.
What?
Like, why don't y'all switch
We
it?
on, we on a very
I think
strict
the
budget.
for sure
A
count's
maybe
gonna
should be,
bigger.
yeah.
I think the first store should be smaller so we can stick to our budget. Y'all gonna start balling when y'all see y'all got all this room.
Okay,
Let's
lettuce.
get spaghettios.
Where we gonna cook them? In the sun?
Yeah, get it together. We need lettuce, chips, and drinks, and that's it.
Lettuce, chips, and drink. Okay, let's put towards the front.
How you gonna wash the lettuce?
We just passed the lettuce, didn't we?
How you gonna wash the lettuce?
We got water. We could get bottled water. Okay, Gabby.
What about the white vinegar? Let's grab some water. I'm not running them over. Because I said baby.
But we should get that.
We've been here. It's 1 o'clock.
We can be thirsty.
We're gonna be there all day.
I was gonna say we also gonna be there all day, and I think. What does all day mean, guys?
Y'all, regardless, the water's gonna get drunk by somebody. Like, someone, we're gonna take it home after.
Tay Tay.
She's annoying.
Okay, we got water. Can we get one of these?
Okay, they about to run us over.
Yeah, he was
I
just
know,
going.
white folk around here.
He was just
but-
going to keep it pushing, not say shit.
No, but he could say excuse me.
Like.
No, Capri Sun.
We're not getting this. Come on.
Okay, Capri Suns, come on. Oh my god. That's what I'm saying. That's why I looked at y'all with 10. I'm like.
I have another 10.
Yeah, I know.
But it's.
My contribution. Only on John Eagle brand stuff. That's all
Oh yeah, we get 10% off our.
$2.99.
Oh, and I get like 10% off. Yeah.
But the fact that we only get 10% off John Eagle brand stuff.
I'm saying like
10% off total.
no 2 members.
Yeah, like a team member discount is 10%.
Y'all get 10% on everything?
The whole purchase.
It's just Johnny with
I was gonna say, because mine is just, you only get the 10% off the John Eagle stuff.
Oh, it's, we get 10% off everything.
No, baby, us is just, you can figure out John Eagle slapped on it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you do work at Get Go. I forget. That's John Eagle too. What did you get? Okay, so that. Do y'all want other chips? This is the time we in the chip aisle. I don't know. I want some hot chips. Yeah. Or hot Ruffles. It don't matter. You could get them. Okay, lettuce and we're done. Oh.
Lay's lettuce and then we're done. Lay's lettuce and then we
Wait, y'all, I didn't get my fried chicken.
Okay, well, the fried chicken. You gotta lose your privileges to push it this damn cart. Okay, should we get the
not regular Lay's.
That's what I'm saying. Should we get the honey BBQ or the
The regular Lay's are back there.
Are we getting?
Here, it's recording. No, why are you still?
lettuce?
Hey y'all. Which one? We're getting lettuce. We doing.
I don't know what I'm looking at though.
Do I look up here or in the screen? Look at the camera because then you don't want to look cross-eyed. These ones? Or how do you stop it?
I'm getting lettuce in a bag.
Did you want to cut some lettuce up?
Go. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Are you trying to mind control it? You're the only one that gotta pee every 10 seconds. Okay, y'all, the real kicker is though, it's 1:30.
That's the biggest
That's
one.
the real kicker.
We're supposed to leave at 10 o'clock.
Well, we were supposed to leave at 10 o'clock.
We keep stopping.
This is our what second stop. We haven't moved an inch. We still in the city.
Some reason why we're not.
What? Put a
I feel like the only reason
rifle?
why we're all not like actually like freaking out about the fact that this shit's taking forever is because we're having
Yeah, we're having fun.
isn't bad.
What did you mix?
Pineapple and watermelon, and then I put cherry on top.
But yeah, we're getting slushies. Yeah, just find parking, I think.
Girl, blind shit out here. Is this the right beach?
The whole thing is beach.
And we're literally still 5 minutes away.
Yeah, like this wasn't the beach. Tay, how you do the brightness thing?
That's it.
It's already like this. Okay, record us then. Yeah, like flip the camera, see what it looks like.
Yeah, you did.
Here.
Oh,
No, not you, Kristen.
oh, my bad. 2 hands on the wheel. Sorry.
I want to see you. Hold on, it's blurry. Put the thing on the console thing. On Friday.
Hey y'all, we're here.
And then we had to go to the
Finally,
grocery
y'all,
store.
what time is
we
it?
had to go to the
4 o'clock.
We were supposed to be here.
4 o'clock.
We were supposed to
4 o'clock.
to get here at 1 o'clock.
Yeah, we were supposed to leave at 11 o'clock.
It's 4 o'clock, but we're here.
It's 4, but you know. It's not like we got nothing better to be doing.
I'm gonna show y'all.
Are you on your way back now? I'm going to put all your videos in bed right now.
Okay, but we
We got the umbrella.
Okay, hold on, be help.
I was gonna say,
Y'all.
what bags are y'all bringing to the? What bag are you bringing to the?
She got a.
Is this yours?
This is mine.
We didn't get
Whose bag with the smiley face?
They were mine. That's
Are
mine.
you bringing this?
I stayed the night, Christian.
Okay.
Oh, my
We got it.
That's it.
Okay,
Let me
Mom.
bring this.
We're gonna have to come back to the drink. Unless y'all,
Okay.
especially the water. I'm not carrying.
Bye.
Erica, you bringing your blanket?
Y'all, we finally made it. Where we? Is it tables? Did we miss the tables? There's a table right here. Wanna go to that table?
I wanted to.
We could put our stuff down and then go closer.
Okay, yeah. But this, walking in this thing. You take your socks off, Langston.
I do. I'm gonna take it off when we get to the table.
My feet are already
Yeah, and I don't want to get.
already ashy. But if they leave, we should definitely.
Yeah.
It don't seem like they would take.
They not looking like they packing up.
They do look like they're packing up.
It do, but then again.
Okay, well, should I ask for you guys?
Let me go ask them.
I don't
Just
know,
like
but
for
I don't know. I fuck with that. I like that. Like the little huts they got going. Okay, well if that's the
Now I
case,
feel like they're gonna try to rush because they feel like we're rushing them.
I was supposed they can feel that way.
no, we just gonna wait for them to leave and then use their hole. Okay, well here.
They
This,
use their hole.
if this is the case, I'm gonna wait. Not a car. Take the meat out and put the, like, you know what I'm saying? Take the ice out the bag.
You're gonna wait by the car.
Yeah, they're like,
Yeah, but I'm gonna put
They're
the blanket
here.
a little closer.
I'll come with you.
Well,
This is what I mean, like,
sand.
yeah, it's gonna get in every single bag.
It is. It's the beach.
I know that's what I was saying, but there's a table, but you know.
Okay, but we can stop and put our stuff at the end.
It's pretty out here. We can take pictures before my camera. I don't understand how the camera's working because it got full bars, but it's saying there's only an hour left. I don't know. I don't know how to use it. You wanna go wait with me?
Can you?
Oh, Chris.
Yeah.
Y'all, she's struggling bad. I don't know what she's trying to do. Y'all. Y'all.
Bad, that is so rude.
Y'all, there's a spot right next to us and we were saving it for our friends. Yeah, it was 2 spots actually, 2 spots. But this man just came and he took both of them.
Took both of them.
Took both of them.
Like, not even just one, but 2 of them.
You didn't answer?
Oh, you wanted me to call him?
I thought she said you was doing it. It's hot.
Not working.
Who's next?
Go, go, go.
Let's do that TikTok. Can you see my shorty that's going on?
Yeah.
Who's next? I think you're supposed to go the other way. Never mind, y'all. Forget the fucking TikTok.
It's okay. But everybody's here now.
We're all here. Taylor's down there.
Me and Taylor did that.
I watched y'all drive past me just now and kept walking.
It's Alex. Say hi, Alex.
But anyway.
And that's Oscar.
I never see your tattoo. Yeah.
Oh shit, he already said that they came, but look y'all, the rest of the people's here. About time.
I was gonna put Jesus in there, but there's no room.
That's all I was saying. If I would have knew, I would have actually brought them. But I'm okay.
I was just feeling it.
Y'all look at our spread.
What are them boards called?
Charcuterie.
That looks like a, I'm not eating.
We got some water.
Huh?
Try it.
Damn,
and see.
sis.
What does it taste like?
Turkey.
Yeah, there's a seed in it. What does it taste like?
It tastes like a grape. Yeah, but it's a different texture, don't it? But my bag is leaking.
Okay.
I was wondering what was leaking. It's
Bag
recording.
of bread.
Yeah, there you have it.
Okay, I'm about to try rambuchi. A rambuchon.
Hand me a plate.
Which one's open? This one.
Yeah, I don't think I'm doing this right.
No, not that.
Not too much on my turkey.
It don't open.
Oh, this. Oh, that's right.
What she needs, sweetheart.
Can you open this?
You should do rinse off in there.
Huh?
Alice is gonna open my rambucha.
That is a butt-ass naked baby.
Yeah, that's what we were saying.
Oh my god.
Y'all stop making like stop looking. You're gonna make it.
It's
work.
hard to not look when you hear someone saying it's a
Yeah.
butt-ass naked baby. No, I looked over and I saw her.
Oh, can I get it?
Can you put this in there?
It's not nasty, but it's not.
It tastes
exactly
like a grape.
It's literally a grape.
I feel like it gotta be cold though.
I'm not
Maybe.
tasting grape.
I think grapes are... Chew it, nigga!
I'm chewing.
You're nibbling, Kristen. You have to chew it.
It's tasty though. I wouldn't go to the store and buy this.
Yeah.
Y'all, we're going to Raising Cane's.
That mid-ass place.
You tried it?
Yeah, we have one at my school. You didn't say shit.
Okay.
No, PWI. We don't
Okay, I'm sorry. Let me stay in my HBCU. Me and my KFC. Absolutely, all you got is KFC.
I mean, they're close to finishing.
Anybody want cheese?
building one in.
Before I put it back?
We have a Chick-fil-A on
Okay,
my
I'm done with
campus.
this. Where's the bag of trash?
Right here, but it's tied up. Can I have the mayonnaise?
Okay, we're gonna.
You want cheese, Alex, before
Yeah.
it's put back?
Yeah, here's another bag.
Maybe I want pepperoni.
Oh, this is so cute. Yeah,
It's so cute, and I'm so happy that this was so easy to plan and come out.
Oh no, yeah.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Y'all. We're here. Finally. Y'all wanna be recorded?
I was trying to get in there. Stop posting on social media. Get in there.
Okay, we'll get in a second. She still got her clothes on. Both of y'all still got your clothes on.
Finally, I mean, I was getting in, but I wasn't getting in.
But you have a swimsuit on though.
I don't have a swimsuit on. I turned this shorts on, but I
Hey y'all, I haven't even talked to y'all all day, but is the bathroom outside? What did you?
Outside, destroyed.
What?
Tore up from the floor up. No thank you.
Oh, look, we can get our feet off right there.
Instead of using bottled water, they're already used. It's okay.
Oh, wait, I want to see. I
Pretty much rich.
Yeah. Y'all, it's been a long day. Tensions is high. Tensions is high. Everybody.
We about to get Raising Cane's. There's no Raising Cane's.
Y'all, we drove 30 minutes there, and it was not even there. There was no building, nothing. They probably like, these guys are just coming. They got 10 minutes, and we coming in loud. But yeah, we drove 30. My eyes right. We drove 30 minutes.
I don't know. Yeah, my eyes on
Yeah, something, I don't know, but we drove 30 minutes to get there and it was not there. There was no building. Siri's like, turn left.
It's literally
It's
a highway, a road. Like there's no.
It's not there. So now we were stuck between McDonald's and Arby's because that's what's open and my camera's dying. Like it's just like, I'm recording myself. Okay, but yeah.